Hi everyone, welcome to Momus Craft. Today we'll learn how to create a unicorn costume. As you can see, we will create the mask, gloves, and unicorn tail. To create, we'll mainly use these foam colors. I recommend using frosted foam to make the costume look even more beautiful. The first thing to do is download and print the templates on paper. So you have the link in the description and in the comments. There you can choose between standard size or children's size. Now that we have the templates, we will cut out each piece. It is not necessary to cut out in detail because we'll do it again later. For this piece number 1, we'll use white foam. So we'll put adhesive tape on the edges to make it easier to cut the part. Once this part is ready, we will cut out the circles of the eyes. For this, we'll pass the tip of the scissors and cut very carefully in a circle until we cut out the figure of the eyes. We will do this process in both. Now it's time to cut out the piece, so it's just about cutting on the continuous line until we get the figure. We'll cut all the pieces in the same way. For pieces 2, 3, and 10, we'll use pink foam. For piece 4, golden foam. Piece 9 will be light blue foam. For piece 11, white foam. And for the flowers, you can use any color you want. In my case, red and purple. We will start by gluing pieces 2 and 3 on the unicorn ears. Piece 2 on the right side and piece 3 on the left side. To form the horn, we'll add glue in this part and then glue piece 4. We will try to make it centered. To join the flowers, we'll simply put glue on each one and add 2 to each side, or you can decorate as you like. We will add piece 9 in the center. Then on top of it, we'll put piece 10, and to finish, add piece 11. To detail the mask a little more, we will draw the unicorn's eyelashes with a marker. The mask is almost ready. To finish it, we will use 2 wool threads of approximately 30 centimeters. With the tip of the scissors, we'll make 2 holes on both sides of the mask and pass 1 on each side. We will make a knot on both to secure. We already have the unicorn mask ready, but we are not finished yet because we still need to create the gloves. For this, we will add glue in piece 1 and join piece 2. We'll do the same with pieces 3 and 4. For these parts that we have just formed, we will use white foam. Here we already have the pieces ready. What we will do is fold this part a little in both pieces and add glue to join them. We will join both ends. Also, we'll put glue on the upper part to close that part and give it shape. For piece 5, we are going to use pink foam and we'll join it in the glove to finish creating it. As you can imagine, we'll make the other glove in the same way with the other pieces. To finish, we will create the tail to have a complete costume. So with piece 1, we'll make 2 pink figures like these. We'll fold the line that it has in this part. Later you will see why. We'll put glue on the entire piece except for the fold part and glue it to the other face. With piece 2, we will also create 2 figures, this time in a light blue color. We'll add glue throughout the figure and glue 1 on each side of the tail in this way. To be able to use it, we are going to need a waist-size elastic strip and also a foam piece like this one. We will find the strip middle and put it in this part. We'll add glue in the whole area. Put the piece of foam and let it dry. To finish, we will simply cut the edges. And now we have our unicorn costume ready. Remember that you can download any template from the channel without ads and support this content by joining Premium Momus Craft. Thank you very much for watching the video.